Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the video. Want to talk about in this video a one-page flyer that could easily earn you $500 to $1,000 per week from home. And we want to talk about it all on how you can do that in this video. We're going to show you a video that is absolutely rocking the net. I could not be more excited. But before we get started, guys, make sure you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. I want to appreciate your time and lend me ears just for a few minutes to watch this quick video and talk to you about this CREC flyer. I want to appreciate those of y'all that have partnered in several programs on the channel. Channels about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. I did a great video on the supplement grid yesterday. This thing is absolutely exploding, folks. Get in now. We're ground floor level. Mike did a video yesterday, and we're just rocking and rolling. This thing is on a tear to the upside, and I want you to get involved with it. Now, also, guys, find some other programs that might resonate with you that we're working with, like the CREC flyer, the I Keep It All, and the GoFundMe. I'm up bringing you updates on all these programs here over this next week or so. But today, like I said, I'm going to be talking about this CREC flyer. In this economy, folks, we're picking up a big ticket opportunity, a big ticket program that we're going to take the money that we make from here and utilize it for our advertising to our long-term residual income programs that we're building of our dreams. That's the strategy. I am marketing big ticket on the front end, and I'm using that to fund my advertising and getting massive amounts of traffic into the back end residual programs. Folks, if you do that, you can write your own paycheck. In this economy, you need a way to exponentially grow your income. And you have 2 or 3 things going on at one time, folks. You can have money coming in from the north, east, south, and west, and you can do it all simultaneously. Folks, we have a one-page flyer that you can easily earn $500 to $1,000 or more per week. It's a program called CREC, Creating Eat Real Easy Cash from Home. You get paid $500 per every personal sign up. Now watch the residual leverage residual program that's built into this program. When you get paid $500, your sponsor is also going to get $500 payment. Now here's the fun part. You go out and sponsor 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Every time they bring in a sale, you're going to make a $500 payment. However, I'm going to have a video do the selling, telling, explaining for you. Here's just an example. Just an example of what could happen for you over a week or two's time. Let's say you personally sponsor just 5 new members in this down economy. Folks, I tell you what, you need to find a way. There's no security in jobs. You can go in one morning and all of a sudden your job cannot be there. But folks, when you have multiple streams of income, when you have things going on around you, you can create the income of your dreams. Go where you want to go, do what you want to do, stay as long as you want to stay, live life on your terms, never having to ask for another vacation day. I tell people all the time, folks, don't run you quit your job today or tomorrow, but get on a path to success that this time next year. Oh my gosh, there are people plugging into some of these programs. This time next year, you won't have to answer to a boss. I'm telling you, and it could come sooner than that. Let's say you recruit 5 members in 1 week. You'll receive a total of $2,500 in money orders per week. If those 5 people signed up, 5 people, you will receive a total of 12,500 money orders per week in that 1 week. Folks, that's just that simple. That's 25 people sending you $500. Folks, it's very simple. You complete the enrollment form. You purchase 1 money order for the first person, 1 for the second, and last for the company. It made it payable to CREC. And folks, this covers your product package, which is going to be flyers. You're going to get 1,000 customized flyers with your name and ID in position number 1. You're going to go right here, position number 1. Your sponsor is going to be right here. Folks, this is incredible to me. I could not be more excited. Now, when you mail that in, I'm going to show you this video in just a second. We're going to watch this video. After you mailed it in, you're going to come over here, and this is an optional website. This is optional that you can come in here and get a lead capture page. Therefore, you can utilize safe list traffic, solo ads, even postcards. You can utilize all of this here. You can utilize this website to drive traffic to this flyer. It's just that simple. Absolutely incredible. And I could not be more excited about that website. So we'll put you in contact with the person that can make this website for you. It says even newbies are making $500 to $1,000 per week. Watch our free video. Folks, this is so simple. People are looking for ways to exponentially grow their income. And when you have something of value that makes sense, that resonate with you, they will partner with you over and over again. Let's watch this video, guys. Gals, I'll be off and we'll go from there. Folks, if you need to get a hold of me, you can, my information will be below the video. You can send me an email, give me a call, and we'll get the flyer over to you so you can get started today. Do not wait, but I would get started right now today. Go as if somebody's chasing you. Folks, that's what has allowed me to pick up weeks in excess of 5 figures every single week. And I'm looking to even scale higher than that. How much do you want to make a week, folks? Do you want just 1,000 a week, or do you want to make 2 or 3, 4, 5,000 a week? How about over $10,000 a month? It's possible. Income disclaimer: nothing happens in life until you take action, and you take action and you do a lot of it, folks. The sky's the limit. Let's go with the video.
About to hear over the next few minutes is a powerful cash-generating direct mail marketing system that can have you earning an extra $500 to $1,000 or more per week from the comfort of your home. Imagine waking up every morning, going to your mailbox, and pulling out 5, 10, 20 or more envelopes, each containing a $500 money order inside made payable to you. That would be absolutely wonderful, right? Let me introduce to you our program called CREC.Club. Now imagine never having to worry about bills and financial problems. Think how great it would be to know that thousands of dollars could be filling your mailbox like an ATM machine each week. Our highly responsive direct mail flyer is the core of our powerful marketing system that can be duplicated by anyone. Just mail our direct mail flyer to hot and eager prospects who are looking to make money from home. We even tell you where to get these hot names from. Our program is a simple 2-level pay structure, and the cost to get started is just $1,249. Your $1,249 startup cost is paid in 3 U.S. postal money orders only. 2 U.S. postal money orders for $500 each, and 1 U.S. postal money order for $249. No checks, cash, or credit card payments will be accepted. Take a look at the flyer that you may have received. As you can see on the flyer, there are only 2 names. You will make the first $500 money order payable to the member in position number 1. Then, you will make the second $500 money order payable to the member in position number 2. And then, you will make the $249 money order payable to CREC. This $249 covers processing and ongoing monitoring fees, and the cost of your 1,000 flyers to start. Yes, you heard correctly. You will receive 1,000 flyers to start. You will then mail the 3 money orders along with the flyer to CREC. The 2 $500 money orders will be forwarded to the members by CREC. This will eliminate anyone from cheating within the program. Your 1,000 flyers to start will already be personalized with your name and member ID in position number 1. When you begin mailing your flyers to your prospects, every time you personally enroll a new member, you will receive a $500 money order, and you will now be moved to position number 2 on their flyer. Every time your personally sponsored members enroll a new member from their flyer, you will receive another $500 money order. Here's an example. Personally enroll just 5 new members per week. You will receive a total of $2,500 in money orders per week. If your 5 personals enroll just 5 new members per week, that's a total of 25 new members. You will receive a total of $12,500 in money orders per week. This concept is what will create residual cash flow for you. What would receiving an extra $500 to $1,000 every week do for you and your family? That extra cash can pay your car payments, your mortgage payments, your utility bills, your credit card bills, you name it. Are you now starting to see how powerful and financially rewarding our program is? Think for a moment. Instead of just 5 new members, imagine how much more $500 money orders you could receive If you have personally enrolled 10, 15, or even 20 new members per week, and your personals does the same, just do the math. The possibilities are unlimited. Every day, more and more people are searching for ways to earn some extra cash from home. You can now offer these people a program that could do just that for them. But first, you must take action yourself. Get back with the person who introduced you to this explosive opportunity to get signed up today as a member. Or if you already have the enrollment form, then fill in the required information needed and mail it in today. You have been given the opportunity that can financially change your life and the life of your family for the good.
Okay, folks, don't miss it out. This is a powerful cash generating direct mail marketing system that can put you on easy street. We won't have you as a partner of it. And again, if you want a flyer, just request a flyer. You can get it mailed in. We'll get you off to the races. All right, folks, have a wonderful day. One more thing, folks. These are the recommended mailing lists. Leads by Mountain Marketing. Leads by Mountain Marketing. We're recommending these people here. She has a great list, and I'm excited to be working with her and her list. Leads by Mountain Marketing. We have another one here, Wilson's List. Paul down there in Florida has got a great list. Very excited to have him as a partner in this program. Also, we've got Randy Wolf. Let me show you Randy. Randy over here, Bob used him for the Home Business Advertiser. He has mailing list, and I'm very excited to be working with Randy Wolf and his mailing list. Let me see if I can, if it'll pull up. It seems like sometime when I have the recording going, it works a little slower. But you click onto this tab, wolfenterprises.net. Wolfenterprises.net. It didn't pull up. Let me see if it'll go back. If not, no big deal. But it's wolfenterprises.net. This is wilsonlist.com and Mountain Marketing. If you want to know, guys, more about any of those, just let me know, and I'll get you that information. Okay, folks, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. You found value. Bye for now. Until the next video.